Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over some common crochet stitches that you're going to see again and again and again as you work your way through various crochet projects. So let's start with the basics. A simple chain. You're going to take your yarn and you're going to go over your index finger like so. 1 and then 2. Okay? Then you're going to take this piece of yarn here and you're going to pull it over the other. Okay? Then you're going to take the yarn that remains and pull it over again, over your fingertip. And you see it's in my hand here. These two pieces of yarn are in my hand. All you have to do is slip in your crochet hook and give it a gentle pull. And there you go. So let's start by chaining. Okay? And let me remark that don't worry about holding your crochet hook like I hold my crochet hook. It's important to understand how the stitches are made because there are so many different ways in which to hold a crochet hook, and it is as unique as the person who's crocheting. You won't crochet the way that I do perfectly. I won't crochet the way that you do. Okay, so just get comfortable holding your hooks and you'll be just fine, and the speed will come in time. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, now that we have our slip knot on, we are beginning to chain. So you're going to yarn over, okay, and pull through, yarn over and pull through, okay, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. See, simple chain. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 chains on your hook now. Let's continue a little while longer and then we'll move on to the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. And next thing you know, you're able to go faster and faster and faster as you get used to how everything works. So don't worry about speed and don't worry about making it perfect. Making beautiful chains like this will come in time and with practice. The next stitch I want to demonstrate is the single crochet. Single crochets, as you can tell, are just very, very short when you put them all together in a row. Okay, it's the most basic stitch, well, one of them, but you'll see it a whole lot in different projects that you do. So I wanted to give you an opportunity to learn and kind of practice. Now, as you see, I've prepared a swatch ahead of time. It's just a bunch of single crochets so that I can demonstrate how it all works together. Okay, and if you're chaining properly at the end of each row, and if you are adding your single crochets, you end up with a very neat swatch over time with a little bit of practice. Okay, so I wanted to kind of demonstrate how you can do that and begin working on that on your own. So here we are with a single crochet. You would simply go in and you'd pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. It's that simple. Let's try again. We're going to go in and pull up a loop. You have 2 on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, go in, pull up a loop, 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. So now you have 3 single crochets here. Okay, okay, we'll keep doing a couple more. Yarn, hook in, pull up 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. Okay, yarn hook in, yarn over, and pull through both. Okay, and you would just work all the way to the end for practice. Again, don't worry about speed, it comes in time. Okay, excellent. Next is your half double crochet. Very similar looking to the single crochet we just did, but a little different. I'll show you how. So to make a half double crochet, you're simply going to yarn over and you're going to pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook and you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, and there you go. Let's do that again. Yarn over and you're going to pull through. You'll have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, let's keep trying. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, and pull through all 3 loops. We'll do a few more. Don't worry about it being perfect. The thing is to just keep practicing and it'll start feeling much more natural and you'll find that you're getting better and your work is getting neater. Okay, let's do a couple more. Yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. One more. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And there you go. This row here is your row of half double crochet. Next, we're going to do the double crochet. Another common stitch you'll see again and again. In order to do the double crochet, which as you see is even taller than the half double we just did, okay? You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 on the hook. You'll yarn over and pull through only 2 of these. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, and you're going to pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Okay, hopefully you can see that really well. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch there. You'll pull up. 3 loops are on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. Yarn over and pull through the other. Okay. All right, let's do some more. Yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 set of loops. Yarn over and pull through the last. Okay. And this will start being like muscle memory after a while. And you'll start noticing your speed is going up. Okay, let's slow down and do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the other 2. Yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Let's try a few more and we'll be done with this stitch. And on to the last and final one. Well, of course, if it's last, it's final. You know what I mean. And one more. Yarn over, insert your hook, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. You go through the first 2 loops and yarn over to the second set of loops. And there you go. There is your double crochet row. The last and final stitch we'll be doing today is the treble crochet. As you can see, the treble crochet is a little bit taller than the double crochet we just went over. This stitch you're not going to see as often, but you will see it occasionally. I'll show you how this one works. You're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook, and pull up a loop. There will be 4 loops, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, and you're going to pull through the first 2 loops. You'll have 3 loops then on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. That'll leave you with 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. To demonstrate again, yarn over twice, insert your hook, and pull up a loop. 4 loops are on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last. To do it again, yarn over twice, insert your hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, let's do a few more of these just to make sure we kind of get the rhythm of what our hands are doing. And again, this is the treble crochet. You won't see it as often, but you will see it quite a bit in different projects, especially when you're working cables and blankets and all of that stuff. The rhythm of it just comes after a while. All right, and I'll slow down this final one. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, and pull through the final 2. And there you are, a row of your treble crochets. Well, I hope that this video has been helpful to you and that you've learned quite a bit that will help you as you begin to learn to crochet. It is a wonderful, wonderful art, and there's so much that you can do when you put all of these things together. Until next time, from my heart to your hooks, happy crocheting.